Hi there, it's Paul from Propel Media. I'm back today with another tip on how to make your website better. Today we're going to talk about the speed of your website and how that implicates your SEO or search engine optimization. So one of the things that the search engines use in their algorithm to decide your SEO is how fast your website loads. Now, to what degree that is, nobody really knows. But just suffice to say that if your website is really slow or if it's sluggish, your SEO is going to take some hits. So we're at propelmedia.ca here. And if you go to propelmedia.ca and at the top, you'll see a resources tab. So we'll click on that. The resources is basically a blog. I write articles on how to help do-it-yourselfers or small business owners on how to optimize their websites. Today we're going to go to the very top and we're going to click on PageSpeed test. That's going to open Google's PageSpeed Insights. So essentially what this is a tool that developers use to evaluate their websites, and it just highlights if there's any big problems with the website. So if we go in here and we, just for the sake of demonstration, let's check out google.ca. As it's preparing this information, I want to just let you guys know that this isn't a benchmark. You're not trying to reach 100 in your score here. It's basically just to see if there's any problems with your website, any big hang-ups. For example, I had a website recently that came to me that needed some work, and the website mobile rating, if we look on the left-hand side here, you'll see mobile. The website mobile rating was 10. So when we took a deep dive and looked at what was happening, there was a lot of issues that we needed to fix quickly in order to get the website speed up. So how we determined that was by doing the analysis and then scrolling down and looking at the opportunities section. So the opportunities section will tell us a whole pile of stuff about what's going on and what we need to fix. And it also kind of displays it in which ones are the heaviest hitters. So by the time you get here, you might be looking at this going, I don't know much about this. So at this point, if this is above your expertise or your experience, by all means, reach out to your web designer. If you don't have one, you can always send me a message. I'll do an evaluation and let you know how we can fix your website or how we can make it better. So these scores, there's mobile and desktop scores. These scores will vary at different times. So if you come back every day and check your score, it's never going to bounce from 50 to 90 if you haven't made any changes. So it's just basically, these scores are essentially just to give your website a little bit of a health check and see if there's any huge problem somewhere. So general guideline is if your mobile speed is 50 or more, you're doing pretty good. And if your desktop score is over 80, also very good. If you're below those numbers, then you definitely need to take a look at things and change some stuff. So if you need some help with that, you can reach out to myself or your web designer, and we will help you out and get your website up to speed. Pun definitely intended. So have fun with that, and we'll talk to you soon.